Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make the SH sound or the sh sound. When you're making the sh sound, you have to stick your lips out and around them, put your tongue slightly up and back and blow air out. Shh. Sometimes the sh sound can sound like uh-oh, what went wrong? My lips weren't out and rounded. Shh. How do I know if I'm practicing this sound correctly? You can use a handheld mirror to make sure your lips are out and rounded. Shh. Or you can ask an adult around you, am I making this sound correctly? First, you can practice this sound in isolation. That's another way of saying by itself. Shh. Then you can try practicing in syllables. Shay, she, shy, show, shoe. Now that feels too easy. What can I do next to make this a little harder? You can find words in books you're already reading with the sh sound. You can ask me for worksheets, or you can use the following words to practice. Here are some words with the sh sound at the beginning. Shout, shut, shop, shake, shade. Here are some words with sh at the end of the word. Bush, wish, push, wash, fish. Here are some examples of the sh sound in the middle of words. Marshmallow, push up, cashew, flashlight, washer. What if it's too easy in words? You can move up to phrases and sentences. I search for fish. If phrases and sentences feel too easy, you're ready to move up to the reading level. Here's an example. I'm going to pick a book that's too easy for my reading level so I can focus on making my best sh sound. I found one. Why didn't the crab share his sweets? Because he was a little shellfish. I hope this video helped you make your best sh sound. Remember, keep your tongue back and your lips out and round. Shh. Whoa, shark!